Welcome to New Way to Walk. It is a beautiful October day, lovely weather. I took advantage and I came out here to amend my garden bed to add the garlic. I had prepared some compost, however, it is a little too wet for my liking, so I'm not going to be using it. Nature gave us some bounties that two of the things that I otherwise add to my compost anyway, so I have some dry clippings, grass clippings here, which I'll be adding to my garden bed. And nature gave us these beautiful fallen leaves that I just collected, and I'll be adding those as well. I also use Dr. Earth's fertilizer, which I used last year in all of my produce growing, and it did fairly well. So I'm going to be using it again for the garlic. And also because garlic likes a nice, loose, drainy soil, I'll add some perlite to make sure it has a nice, drainy soil for when it does rain. So I'll be adding and amending this bed, preparing it for my garlic addition. I might do that tonight, later on today, or we might add the garlics tomorrow. But other ways, join me. I'm going to speed this part of the video for the sake of time, and hope you enjoy it. Nice exercise. So I'll come and put my garlic in. Once I put my garlic in, I'm gonna cover it with this. I'll plant the garlic in 2 inches deep and cover it with leaves. I also have straw to cover it. So thank you for joining me. I will show you another video of the finished product.